Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log into Amazon account in Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, if you want to log in here, of course you just have to have your Amazon applications first, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And it will be look like this, yeah guys. And if you want to sign in, you just have to tap on the sign in options or login options, and after here you just have to enter your mobile number or your email that connected to your account. Here I'm gonna enter for my email, you guys, like this. And now tap on this continue options, and in this page you just have to create your Amazon password, and after tap on sign in. And in this pop-up you can save your Amazon password to Google, but here I'm gonna tap on never. I don't want to save it. And yeah, as you can see, it's already logged in or signed in to my Amazon account, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.